Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome to back my channel Unlock Source. So today I'm gonna show you how can you view your purchase history in your Apple device, iOS device, iPad, iPod, Mac OS. So just simply click on App Store. Just click on a app and just click on up corner here your Apple ID. So click on your Apple ID. So scroll down and here's the purchase history. Click on purchase history. So guys, here's it. So as you can see guys, here is your purchase history. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more videos.